In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a related list in Salesforce. Related lists are a key feature when working with data in Salesforce. They display records from another object that are connected through a relationship, providing an organized view of your data. Whether you're managing accounts or tracking opportunities, related lists are crucial for efficient data handling. First, let's start by logging into Salesforce. Once you're at the main dashboard, navigate to the Setup page. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. From there, look for the option labeled as Advanced Setup and go ahead and open it. Next, use the Quick Find search bar to locate Object Manager. Just type Object Manager in the search and click on it. Now, we need to pick the parent object for which you want to create a related list. Depending on your needs, this could be something like an account or an opportunity. Select the relevant object that you wish to add the related list to. Once you have your object selected, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You should see an option called Page Layouts. Click this to proceed further. It's here in the Page Layout section where we'll be editing the layout of your selected object. You'll see a list of page layouts. Click on the name of the layout you aim to edit to open it in the editor. As you open the Page Layout editor, you'll notice the Related List section at the top of the editor interface. This is your key area for making your related lists. Find the specific related list item that you want to add and then drag and drop this item to the location on the page where you want it to appear. Once you've settled on the perfect location for your new related list, it's important to ensure your changes are saved. Look for the Save button, which you'll find both at the top and the bottom of the Page Layout editor. Simply click Save to preserve all the modifications you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully created a related list within Salesforce. This process allows you to organize and view related data seamlessly, enhancing your workflow. If you want to explore further or make additional customizations, you can revisit these steps at any time. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this empowers you to make full use of related lists in Salesforce, optimizing your data management and streamlining your operations. Feel free to watch our other tutorials to learn more about Salesforce features and functionalities.